Hello, Aries. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely Moonians. This is a monthly reading for March 2020. We will be looking into love and anything else that the Spirit has for us. All right. So, before we begin, let's just calm ourselves down and open up to the messages coming in from the divine. All right. All right. Let's see what the oracle has for us. Okay. So we have hexahedron coming in. There are few too many, but we'll go through them. Number 18, we have number 42 with nucleus. We have hexagon coming in, hexagon coming through, Merkaba coming in, and together coming in. Whoa, okay. 42, 43, 46, 47 energy coming through over here. These are way too many cards. Awakening which is happening, a certain kind of truth that sets you free, freeing yourself from the 3D world, materialistic world, going beyond that by first coming back to your center, to your own truth. And this reminds me of like a beehive, right? It wasn't always a hexagon. They learned the most efficient way of making. Nature learned how to do it like efficiently over time, over evolution, over experimentations. And there's this knowledge which is coming in through your own life experiences which you are utilizing, skills getting better, becoming more efficient professionally, also becoming aware of how you're spending. That also could be there. With Merkaba coming in and togetherness coming through, I feel a soul awakening which is happening, ascension which is happening, a lot of wisdom which your soul has collected over lifetimes, that kind of a deeper wisdom which is awakening to you, or simply being in sync with the truth is also coming through. Not resisting to look at things differently or to really how things are, that is also coming in. Working with the universe, coming in sync with your higher self. Divine union also could be something which is coming in over here. A lot of activation, spiritual activation which is coming through. Your light is shining. Divine masculine, divine feminine coming into balance. Whatever was out of balance, unstable in your life, there's something, some kind of truth, some kind of progress, certain kind of change, or certain kind of initiative that is taken, and you feel free and more in sync with yourself, like you are on the right path. That also, or just following a higher calling of yours, or following an intuition. When something feels wrong, even your body will, like, you'll know that this is not working for me and I have to evolve. And sometimes to evolve, we first have to dissolve certain things. And that is what is coming in. Reconstructing your own reality energy coming through. Alright, that is the energy. I want to read this one one of the paragraphs. Pulling the nucleus card shows that you are at the core of an issue or the center of debate. It is a place of beginning and inspiration. It is a position of leadership from which to move into the world, in brackets, or out into space, bracket closed, and gain your wings. This is a time of energizing ideas and coming to terms with issues. Take a proactive stance and know that this will help you find the solution to your question also, and more clarity will be coming into. Know that you have the capability of pulling some really tough project is also coming in. New seeds of inspiration which will be leading you is also coming through. Wanting to experience life in a different manner is also coming in. But yeah, a lot of awakening which is happening over here with Merkaba also coming in sync with your soul, with your higher self, also elevating, alleviating the pains of the past. So the cards coming in, we have Five of Spirals coming through. Competition, feeling that there's a competition going on in terms of another person. Also, they could be feeling that there is a competition that, for your love, or you could be feeling that for the other person. But professionally, you could be feeling that there's a lot of competition around you. But this is a reminder telling you that you have a lot of fire in you, and don't limit your scope to others. Don't envy their progress is also coming in. Stand up, take the leadership role is also coming through. You may be putting in a lot of stress where there's nothing required, none of it required. Overly thinking a little too much is also coming through. We have the King of Stones coming in, the Minstrel coming through. King of Stones is King of Pentacles. When it comes in reverse, this person tends to become a little egoistic. I want things to go in a certain way, or the core principles which have been taught by the society are so strongly embedded that as this person is growing spiritually, there's a lot of question which is happening, and it's like a contradiction of what they were taught and what they are learning now. This could be you as well. This side is the sign that I'm reading for, and this side is the other person. Could be a friend, someone at work, or romantically coming through also, right? This is a collective reading. On the other side, we have Ace of Spirals coming in. They want certain kind of new beginning which is coming in. New job opportunities also could be coming through. Golden opportunities which will be coming in. This is a time to take action is also coming through. And we have the Page of Mirrors coming in reverse. The Healer coming in reverse. The wounded healer who is trying to heal others while their own cup is not filled, is emptied. That so, someone who has been overly giving is learning how to create healthier boundaries also. You both could be people who like to give a lot, and in turn, you get drained out, like resource wise, energetically too. So, become aware of that. Make sure before you extend to others, you have a protective layer around yourself too, and you're taking time to take a break from all of that, to take a breather, and to wait to receive is also coming in. This person may be feeling that they've missed an opportunity, or still trying to figure out what is the best way of taking things forward. They want things to go on the next level, or developing a sense of passion, sexually also very much driven, like towards you. There's a very strong connection there is also there. But if you haven't explored that side, if you haven't been intimate up till now, I feel they have very strong feelings in regards to that, and the experience with you, they kind of fantasize it in a very, like, they think about that a lot because there's a lot of attraction that they feel towards you. Someone who may be looking at the situation too practically and is feeling confused because they know there is a sense of change which is required, but not being able to do it because we are too much in this, not able to think clearly about the long term also. And that is making this person a little jittery. And over here, there's a lot of aspiration, but not a clue how to start that is also coming in. But they also feel kind of held back, a little confused emotionally. Mixed signals, someone could be giving them mixed signals, but with the Aries over here, you are on their mind a lot, is coming through. Let's look into the guidance which is coming in. Can we get a clarifier for Aries? Financial constraints, maybe, or this financial worry, focusing too much on your career, or they focusing on the career that is taking more of a forefront, because the king of stones coming in reverse also feels that they haven't attained certain kind of stature, or they haven't built that foundation, or financially grown in a certain way that they can create a family, is also the energy coming through. A lot of pressure this person feels that they have to perform is also coming in. A lot of that provider energy coming in, but someone who is under pressure, a lot of responsibility. So, what is the guidance coming in for this? We have action coming in over here, replicated, and we also have thinking woman coming in reverse, number 17 and 47 coming in with the fours. Triple four could be something which is coming in instead of focusing on the uncertainty or the fear of uncertainty. This is saying that angels are with you, you are protected, your loved ones too are protected, they are coming through guiding you. But the next steps that you take are pretty much vital for your dreams to be fulfilled. So stop thinking so much in your head. At least don't overthink and start taking actions. Too many promises that are being made, but no delivery is being done. That energy is also coming through. But someone who really wants to take things slow because there's a lot of anxiety or internal work which is going on over here. And also, like thinking woman coming in reverse is the spirit telling you energetically from even your higher self or future self, telling you that you're thinking too much about it. Things are very, very clear, but you're complicating it in your mind by keeping things open or too many options open. Also, your heart knows what it truly desires. Then why is the fear of sabotaging the possibilities of it? That energy is also coming in. While you're thinking that is really good, but fear or the wounds of the past are stopping you from taking actions which are very much required, inspired by your intuition, with 1 and 7 coming through. I'm not saying you have to jump into it, but just start thinking in that progressive manner is also coming through. Thank you. We have deceit coming in, which talks about certain kind of secrets that are being kept. Maybe they are feeling a little lost, and even with um, the page of mirrors coming in, feeling a little lost as to where is this going. They may be feeling that you're hiding your true intentions from them, and in turn they withhold what they truly want to say, is also coming through. And we have community number 7 coming in, 25 and 27. Again, 2 and 5 when you add it together is a 7. Community coming in reverse is also like they may feel that your friends or people around you important to you may reject them, is also kind of coming through. And they may be suspecting that if you have been distant, if you have been a little indecisive about this connection, that there may be another situation going on. They may have a sense about that, but they do feel a little hurt or left behind or even ignored, that there's not much support coming through. Or this person may be just withholding. If they have been distant, hurt, or said some hurtful things, that was a defense mechanism, because in their life maybe they are coming out of a situation or certain kind of deception that they made themselves understand, see as their reality, and they are freeing themselves from that. And this may be a time where they are evolving, and the people around them who they truly cherished, spend so much time with friends, that may be changing for them, and they want a new support system, is also the energy which is coming through. There's a lot of confusion of fear in terms of the result of how things will be in this connection. Maybe people are expecting from them and they feel answerable. I don't know what it is, but too much focus on presenting themselves. This is more of like divine feminine energy not being utilized because there's too much contemplation happening. And over here, there's a lot of drive, there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of this inspiration to come forward, but there are certain kind of facades, certain kind of deceptions which are there because they are masking or portraying themselves in a certain way that they are likable. This, I don't know why is that coming through. Even if they're hurt, they'll show this big smile in crowd. Maybe it works for people like that, but or maybe they just show you a big smile and inside there's some kind of healing which is occurring. They're going through quite a bit. I don't know whether or not you are in such a connection that you can reveal each and everything, each and every detail because they don't want to overwhelm you. But yeah, they are losing a little hope as to whether or not you are actually interested in them. That is also coming through. Have a heart to heart conversation, it will really, really help. And we have miracle also coming in. Have faith that your miracle is on its way. Your prayers have been answered. Surrender the how. Focus on the now. Absolutely coming in. And we have adventure also coming through. I like how the lights are over here. The northern lights are coming in. Illumination which will be coming through. A special night. Maybe in your dreams, certain kind of revelation occurs. Adventure is coming through. Dare to do things differently. Manifest your travel dreams. Move to a new location. Certain kind of scenario change in the scenario environment will really, really help you. Certain kind of getaway, safe getaway kind of a thing will really help. Maybe together or even solo traveling will really, really help you to break free from the rut that has been created over time. I don't know why I kept them inside. I'll just keep the adventure. Explore. With the horses over here, divine masculine, divine feminine energy coming in. It's time to take action. It's time to really, for this person over here, it's time to really go within and seek your truth. That is coming in. Stop overthinking. Stop deceiving. Speak clearly, just speak wholeheartedly is coming in. It's not like they say things half-heartedly. It's just that they stop from telling how they're really feeling because they don't want to overburden the other person or make the other person feel bad. And if there has been a distance coming from your side, they feel that there is a lack in them. That is also coming in. Of course, that is not for you to validate, but just keep the lines of communication open is something, or build on that trust if you are really interested in making things work. That is also coming in. Give them the space to speak is also coming through. The dare thing, dare to do some things differently is a new take, looking at things, similar situations in a new way. What is life really teaching you? But also, it reminds not to take impulsive actions. Put in some thoughts. It's better not to overpromise because the expectation, anticipation rises in another person, especially when you can't deliver, is something that you have to take away from this reading. If nothing at all, just this. Promise what you can deliver. Just in the heat of the moment or in that spur of excitement, you say certain things and the other person is really looking forward to it, but then you get busy in your life and everything is no, really delivering this that in your professional work, and the other person is like, weren't we supposed to do that? That is also coming through. Just some random thing which you wanted to flip out, so just talking about it. Let's look into the charms now. Too many. Okay. So what all do we have over here? Let's put this like this. We have a ballerina coming in. They love the way you lift yourself up in any circumstance, the way you carry yourself, the way you dress up. You are so elegant. You sway so beautifully, and you could be a dancer too. They love the way you dance. They'd love for you to dance on them. And we have the Amya coming in. This connection is very deep. There have been many phases in this. They see the potential and they are quite intrigued as to where it will go. Things are happening quite synchronistically is also coming through. There's a flower coming in. They're seeing you grow, expand, and spiritually also growing. You are blooming is the energy. They see you as someone who is quite light-hearted, quite passionate, quite innocent too. We have the heart over here with two hooks on both the sides, and that reminds me, like, both. Even when you use this in a bracelet, you have to tie it from, like, it'll have like two things coming in, tying it together. So there'll be like two sides of this bracelet if it is turned into one. Okay, fine. But I feel like two people putting in the hard work to make this connection work, like, grow is the energy. They're hoping that you are as invested in this connection as they are, is also coming through, whether or not they have expressed it. But yes, you are the king or queen, or uh, their ruler of their heart, because there is I love you and heart, and the crown also coming in. It's almost like they want to prioritize you, but they are scared, or they already do it. But yeah, you are ruling the heart is the energy which is coming through. They feel very passionately for you. We have a butterfly also coming in, metamorphosis, transformations. You have transformed. Maybe this person has known you since childhood or for a very, very long time. And in each of the phases that you have been together or gone away and come back together, they have seen you transform. They are seeing you transform, and they're very proud of you. We have angel wings. This is angels are with you, guardian angels are with you, and apart from that, this is also they see you as blessed. They feel very blessed for meeting you, and there's a lot of spiritual guidance, protection, angel protection in this connection. We have C also, and this one reminds me corporate, you or them, both or both could be in the corporate world. We have this steampunk element over here. I always feel this is like part of a watch or certain kind of machine. It almost seems like you added this flavor in their life which demolded them, like, out of the shell that society had created for them. You are like that missing piece. We have the two spirals also coming in, restoration coming in, a lot of change which is happening, negativity which is being removed out of your life, getting sucked in that whirlpool. So everything which was unnecessary, adding weight to your life, to like other people's karmic worlds as well, you're letting go of that, and that will be freeing you. This also reminds me of uncoiling the kundalini. We already had Merkaba over there. We have two butterflies over here, prosperity coming in. You both have impacted each other's life. They know that you both have met to change. It could also be like, after you met this person, certain things changed in your life, like on your soul basis also. Twin energies coming in. They want to change the situation, any kind of hostility that may be there in your life. In this connection, they want to overcome those obstacles and come towards you, fly with you, and discover new lands. We have the horse coming in. So another horse coming through over here, and they want to take action. They want to run towards you is also the energy. They may be very playful. They may see you as someone who's keeping their options open. And yeah, there's a lot of sexual drive which is coming in. You or them could be born in the year of the horse, Chinese year of the horse. We have the Celtic cross over here. So this could be with the four hearts depicted over here, and we had so many cards with 40 and with four. I feel they want to create something very strong and steady, interlocking. They feel that your lives are very much in sync. It like soulmate energy is also coming in, but I don't really like tagging the cards or the connections like that. But you met each other, and on meeting each other for the first time, you realize that you were living very close by, that kind of a thing. Or the world is very small, kind of a thing, right? Having common friends but never really met, but then one fine day when the right timing was right, you met and you realized how interlaced your lives have been. We have the golden leaf coming in. Fall could be important. Connecting with nature will really, really benefit you. And we have the awakening charm also coming through. Dark night of the soul, stepping into the spiritual realm completely, is also coming through. But yeah, a lot of awakening, dark night of the soul, and energy, ascension energy, which is coming through. Working with your chakras will be very, very beneficial. Also also with the metamorphosis which is happening with your awakening, they will also be awakening. It's also like that. The kind of changes that you make in your life, the kind of ventures you open yourself to, they also somewhere down the line get automatically more appreciative of that. And with your ascension, your love life will be ascending, is the energy which is coming through. Let's look into the signs. We have three of them. You of course could be in Aries. Other person could also have Aries in their chart, and they see you as someone who is very courageous. They definitely are thinking about you a lot, is coming through. You or your person could have Capricorn in your charts, and they see you as someone who is very ambitious. And we have you or your person could be a Libra, and they see you as very charming. Law could also be significant over here. So yeah, that is what is coming in. Do let me know if this resonated with you, and if you enjoyed this reading, then please do hit the like, share it with the loved ones, and subscribe if you haven't already. And in advance, welcome to the tribe. If you've been part of the Moonian family, thank you so much. It means so much. If you have your birthdays in March itself, then happy birthday in advance. Alright, until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, growth, higher wisdom, intuitive knowledge to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonians.